morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Good morning. Please reply. Say good morning. Good morning, Adya. Okay. Good morning, Ayan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harsh. Okay. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsavituurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God bless you all with good health, happiness and success. I hope that all of you English pending work is complete. If not, then please pay attention on work completion. Right. Now see what we have done in our previous class. Who will tell me? What were the last happenings in our class? Anyone of you can?
Yes.
Good morning, Mr.
Again,
Yes, we have revised chapter 1, right? Today we are going to revise chapter 2. True? Is it yes? Chapter 2. Right or no? Speak something.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 2 is revised by us or remaining, Ruchil? Done revision? This week
No,
it is remaining. Okay. Now see, in this chapter we are going to revise prepositions, right? Here, prepositions. What are the prepositions? Who will tell me? Yes? Very good. Okay. Prepositions are the words that explain us, that inform us about the relationship between noun, pronoun or other words in the sentence. If I say that I kept my bag in the shelf. Here, I kept my bag in the shelf. Right. Let's see the sentence. In is the word here which shows us relationship between the bag and the shelf. Okay. Where did I keep my bag? In the shelf. So in is the word which explains us the location, right? Where it is in actual. That's why in is the preposition. Okay. So any one of you can give me one example of prepositions?
My friend is sitting on the bench.
Good. My friend is sitting on the bench. Right. So with whom we use in? We use in with whenever we want to say that something is kept inside. Right. Second thing, we use in with month or in the afternoon. Right. When we are speaking generally. Okay. We use in when we are speaking generally about month. Like my birthday is in October. My birthday falls in October. So, in October. Here I have explained, I have given you information about the month, but not about the date. So, whenever we are using the particular date, exact date or time, we use on 13th October. Okay. When do I celebrate my birthday? On 13th October. Right. So on is the word whenever we are going to use the exact date. Now, we use at with the exact place or time. I used to go to school at 6:50 a.m. At. The time is accurate. Here I have used the accurate time. Right? That's why at. Then on, done. At, done. In, done. Then after from. Whenever we are going to explain about the action of a person, means the giver and the receiver, like if we say that the starting point or the ending point, they say from to. So I am busy from 15th July to 28th July. Here what we are using? From and to combination as prepositions, right? Then because of complex prepositions now. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because of. When do we use complex prepositions? In complex prepositions, listen first. Okay, there are 2 word units and 3 word units. This is what we learned in the chapter also, in the video, in last class in video also. What are the complex prepositions? Complex prepositions. In complex prepositions, let me check, did I start the, yes, I have started recording. Okay, sometimes I forgot to start recording. Now this one, here 2 word units. What are the 2 word units? Very good, Ruchil. Then 3 word units. These are the 2 word units and 3 word units. What are the 2 word units? Because of I was absent yesterday because of cold and fever. Because of, instead of. You can go by car instead of riding a bicycle because it is very cloudy today, right? You can go by a car instead of using a bicycle or riding a bicycle. Then after, in search of, third one, 3 word unit, in search of. Here, what is the combination of 2 word unit? 1 word plus 1 preposition. Okay, here word plus preposition. This is the combination of 2 word units. And what is the combination of 3 word unit? 1 simple preposition, 2nd simple preposition plus word or a noun. Okay, this is the combination, right? Then in the point, in opinion with, in reference with, then in front of, then after, a lot of are there. Thanks to, such kind of complex prepositions are here. We use complex prepositions to create a complete meaningful sentence with what? Speak up. Don't sit like this, boys. Only Ruchil is answering today. What about you people? You can't get me? Is it not clear to every one of you?
No, ma'am, it is clear.
Am I audible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, now can we start playing quiz?
Ma'am, your voice become low. It is low, ma'am. Voice is low.
I'm literally shouting. This is the limit of my voice now. More than this can't be possible. Literally, nowadays I'm shouting to make the things clear to you people. Okay? More than this can't be possible. Try to keep your background. May I switch off the fan? Then it might. What do you think? But if this, I think not only my face. It means okay, now it is little bit clear. Okay, let it get on. Then we will start the quiz. Okay, I hope that all of you will enjoy it. Let's have a look. Today I am going to click only. You people have to answer. Okay, I am not going to help you in the answering. Wait. Is it clear to you now? I hope it is so. Now see, here, let us get this. I too enjoy this quizzes. It is very interesting, right? Nowadays we are having lot of fun in classes. Are you all right? अब ये काम थोड़ी रेड है. Now say where what we are doing. We go. What certificate? But today if possible I will download. Yes. If for 3 years 7 questions are here, we will get certificate for this quiz. Okay? Let's start. I was ill, so I stayed that 2 days at home. For to act on.
8 means 8.
I
4.
was ill, maybe must. So I stayed that 2 days at home. Here, what is you? So for to act on. देखो ध्यान से करना और don't be in hurry. The movie is that 5 p.m. that 6:30 p.m. Good. अभी समझाते हैं.
8 ma'am, 8 and from 2. Ma'am, from 2.
Next one. My mother will not come at 3:30 because she leaves her office at 3 o'clock. I think she is on her way to us or before us.
Before.
Very good. My mother will not come before 3:30. मेरी मम्मा 3:30 के पहले नहीं आ सकती. Why? Because she leaves her office at 3 o'clock. I think she is on her way to us. Right? Let me sit for today. I am sitting now. If you are having any doubt, I am here. Right? Is it visible? So, what is right? No, sorry, beautiful. Please, look at Jyoti ma'am. Today Jyoti ma'am is outside. Now see the next one. I visit my aunt that weekend. From at 2. पढ़ो. I visit my aunt. मैं मेरी काकी को मिलता हूँ. That weekend. That's what I am telling you. I know my students are knowing everything, but making hurry will trouble you a lot. The global village will open that the festival. To, for, from, at. The global village will open to the festival, for the festival, from the festival, at the festival.
4. From.
To, for, from, at. You have to choose one. I am not going to tell you.
From 4, ma'am, 4.
Okay. I am thinking it. I don't know that. Means I know, but I don't want to tell you. Right? Now, 6th one. That winter, the weather is nice in UAE. On winter, at winter, for winter, in winter.
On.
In winter, right?
On.
In
In one winter the weather is
we are
nice.
using it. We are using it with the season, month, right? In the morning, in the afternoon. This you have learned in second standard. Most students sleep early, dash to late. At in on to.
In ma'am, in.
Bolo, bolo, bolo.
In.
Most students sleep early at school day. Most students sleep early in school day. Most students sleep early on school day. Most students sleep early to school day.
Ma'am, on. Ma'am, on.
I don't know. Okay. Now see here. Certificate. Yes. Download. Here we need to enter our name. Edit option is here. But we need to write that here our name. Thank you. What is your class name? Standard 7A. Give your class a name. What name you want to give your class? That name I asked you. अपने class के नाम क्या लिखे? Blaster. What do you think? Is it good? Blaster.
Ma'am, Rankers of A. Rankers of A.
Rankers of E. 7A. क्या लिखे?
Epic 7 से.
Think about your classmate. I'm giving you time. I have one name for you because it is my hobby. The students I love most, I give them nicknames, and I used to call them by this name only. Right? So what are the names for my students? Modak, then Konchidaya, such kind of names are there. Right? So this is not for you. You are the whole class, right? So for you, what should be the name? बोलो अच्छी बात. Okay. We can write super smart or super quizzes. Where is super quizzes? Okay, super quizzes. How is it? बोलो.
Nice. Nice. Nice, ma'am.
Okay. Who is your class roll number 1? Priyanshu Adroja. But he is absent from class. Second number 1.
Ma'am, Ayan, I.
Okay, give me. You are. So Ayan and team listing. Ayan, see the spelling. Ayan.
AYAN.
बराबर ना. ये वाली आ गए Ayan. Ayan, your name is here. Ayan auntie. Can we done? Or you want to change the name? Other students. सही है? Can we download it? Can we download it? Yes, ma'am. Yes, आ गई. Well, I am going to send this in your group, okay? In your class group, okay? This is for everyone of you. Even though I have tried a lot, but we didn't get succeed in framing your classmates. Right? Okay, beta? Is it okay for everyone of you? Okay. Now see the next equation. Sides of the position. Right? Four, three. I am also trying to make a website like this. Where करवाएगा agenda. Agenda switch Preposition exercises preposition. Here, complex prepositions. May I write complex prepositions? She made the sock that needed and said, which by? What is it? Mended. Mended the shoe sock. Mended means ठीक करना. Which या by आएगा. लिखने वाले.
Then we can't able to see.
It is too small. Let me search for another one. Correct. Better. Look at Is it okay now? By means of, which means to, on for, means for. By means of. Very good. Clear. I have hair in my neck. All the time I have to look like this now, folded. So I am literally now getting trouble, a lot of trouble to move my neck. It is too high actually.
Ma'am,
Yes,
when you were saying, ma'am, when you were saying that adjective is like that in my mobile also, this was happening.
So yes, better, but here sometimes it happens, right? Prepositions will be done. Sometimes it happens they ask for the email and all these things for their security and their what we call it rankings, right? So it is not maybe it can't be difficult or troublesome for me, but then after I forgot to log out and all these things. इसलिए मैं ये हमेशा थोड़ा सा क्या करती हूँ छोड़ देती हूँ कि अपने आईडी it will take a few minutes, but we will practice more with more good what examples like this professor. Yeah, very good suggestion. Thank you very much. With this preposition and exercise. Let's see what is there. This is, we need to write. No, we can choose it. See here what is written? Instructions. For each question, choose the single best answer. Make your choice by clicking on a button. You can change your answers by any time. When the quiz is ready, the correct answers will be appear in the box after each question. The script that makes this quiz box was graciously provided by Professor Bradley Taylor of the Computer Science Department at Central Connecticut State University. Now, my best friend used dash .go in on app. My best friend used in on app. I will be ready to leave that about 20 minutes in on app. I will be ready to leave in about 20 minutes, on about 20 minutes, at about 20 minutes. Wait for a while, my phone.
Mobile गिर गई.
Yes, wait for a while. Oh, please, now is it okay for you? Is it visible clearly?
Ma'am, visible, but in second sentence light is coming too much.
हाँ बेटा, we can't be, we are not having curtains over here ना, तो reflection थोड़ा रहेगा बेटा. That's why I am reading for you. I will be ready to give that about 20 minutes. Yeah, click. Now, next one. Since he made his new girlfriend, Joshua never seems to be dash home, or home, in home, at home. At home. Next one. The child responded to his mother. The child responded to his mother's remark that showing a tantrum with by frog. The child responded to his mother's remark by throwing a tantrum. Why you people are not speaking? Speak up. Now, I think she spent the entire afternoon at the fort. On the fort, in the fort, at the fort.
On.
I will wait at that 6:30, but then I am going home until from at.
Until.
The police got the
Until.
The police caught the thief at the corner of Cascade and Plum Street in Akron. Now you people have to answer. Only Rushil is not in class, huh? He is attentive only. What about you people? You don't like attentive in class. That's why you are not speaking.
Wrong.
The police
In the corner of car.
Okay, yes.
In.
See, you totally have to choose, huh? If I say this is, don't consider it as the correct answer. You have to be aware before you click. Right? फिर मत बोलना मैम आपने कहा था. My fingers were injured, so my sister had to write the note dash me, for me, beat me, to me. मेरी हाथ में इंजरी हुई थी, तो मेरी सिस्टर की फ्रेंड थी. For me, beat me, write to me.
Ma'am, light is coming.
Beta, my fingers were injured, so my sister has to write a note for me, with me, to me. For me. Now, I am not interested in buying the new car now. To fall in. Whenever ing form with verb होता है, we use for. What are the main ingredients that this casserole? What are the main ingredients about this casserole, to this casserole, of this casserole? Why Rushil is answering?
Two.
You people are too silent today. Q?
No, ma'am, I am answering. No, ma'am, I am answering.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
My best friend John is named dash his great grandfather. After, to, about. My best friend John is named dash his grandfather. After his grandfather, to his grandfather, about his grandfather. Bolo, speaker. My best friend John is named after his grandfather, to his great grandfather, about his grandfather. Okay. Please.
Two is.
टू आएगा या आफ्टर आएगा? ओके चलो. Grandma stayed up dash 2 in the morning. Grandma stayed up since 2 in the morning, for 2 in the morning, until 2 in the morning. Grandma stayed up since 2 in the morning. Grandma stayed up for 2 in the morning. Grandma stayed up until 2 in the morning. Since. Now, my parents have been married at 49 years. Since 49 years, for 49 years, until 49 years.
Ma'am, since.
My parents. Paka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, since moving forward. Now, next question. He usually travels to Philadelphia, dash train, by train, at train, with train. By train.
By way.
Who frequently see this kind of water that they use with in on?
On.
On. If you speak one time, then also I can understand. Huh? Who is this excited bird? What's your name? What are you on?
Ma'am, Ayan.
Who is there? Okay, Ayan is very excited. As your team gets Ayan and team, right? I told mom we would be home that an hour or so. Very good. In an hour or so. In. I was visiting my best friend at the hospital. Or hospital, in the hospital, at the hospital. I was visiting my best friend
In.
at the hospital, at the hospital, in the hospital.
In the hospital.
In the hospital.
Okay. In. They are saying in. The professor that South Africa amazed the American students with her story. From or in.
Ma'am, from.
I will see you dash home when I get there. I will see you at home, by home, in home.
At home.
At home. Good. All of you. Now, it's been snowing that Christmas morning. Since Christmas morning.
Since.
Very good. Now, review is definitely called for. Now, see the scroll up. इसके आंसर भी आ गए. चलो पहले से I will explain you the answer. काफी क्या चलो first question. My best friend lives on Great Road. On. Okay. Then I will be this one is ready. Then this one is also ready. Then great. Correct. Okay. 5. 6 1. Here. The police caught the thief at the corner of Cascade and Sloan Street. Exact place is there. So that's why and. Now A. I am interested in buying a new car. Here I to spot, right? Why is it wrong? Let me take this one. I will tell you after class of tomorrow. Now then, what are the photos? C. Then after A. Then after B. Here the 13th one. My parents have been married for 49 years. Okay. Now, look at the C. Right. 19 or 20. Number 8. Two wrong, right? That's why 75. It's okay. Okay. Good percentage. Now, time is 8:43. Today again I am telling you, you have to complete your incomplete work of English subject, right? And I will give you this on.
Ma'am, the incomplete,
Yes,
ma'am, the incomplete work is already completed.
very good, beta. Thank you so much, right? Then I will be happy to check your books and all these things. Now, see, I am going to take your present. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we need to submit workbook also, na? With textbook.
Yes, beta. Both. Because we have written a textbook also, na? That's why. See, if I say no, then next time it will increase my burden. तो अभी मैं स्कूल में रुक के भी काम कंप्लीट करूँ वही बेहतर है. अभी न मना बोलो बाद में ले लो. It will not good. So अभी दे दो. I will try to check everything. Okay. Now see, I am going to take your present. Give me your present. Right. 7A. Wait for a while. Let me open your page. Yes. It's 7A. Priyanshu Adroja present. Priyanshu Adroja. Okay. Ayana Dani. Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Dev Badrakia. I will send you the certificate, okay, in classroom. Dev Badrakia. Dev Badrakia. Manav Babarka. Manav. Ramya
Present,
Chokshi.
ma'am.
Ramya Chokshi, present, ma'am.
Okay. Yug Detroja.
Present, ma'am. Yug Detroja, present, ma'am.
Dhruv Jesloja.
Dhruv Jesloja, present, ma'am.
Soham Jilaria.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Adya Kachoria, present. Radhika Sundra.
Radhe Kasundra, present, ma'am.
Very good. Harsh Kavar.
Present, ma'am.
Ishwa Kavar.
Ishwa Kavar, present, ma'am.
Khushi Kundaria. Khushi. Darshita.
Khushi Kundaria, present, ma'am.
Darshita.
Mistry, present.
Ravi Kumar. Vedant Patel. Ravi Kumar Patel. Saina Pathak. Ravi Patel, present. Nandan Sausani. Prapti Thoria. Prapti. Rishika Ukani. Suhani Viramgama. Prapti Thoria absent today. Suhani Viramgama. Suhani. Okay. Today's absent is Priyanshu Adroja, Dev Badrakia, Manav Babarwa, Vedant Patel, Saina Pathak, Suhani Viramgama. Right? Suhani Viramgama is absent today, right? Now you can leave the class. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Prapti Thoria is absent today.